everyone, Jason and Katie here, and we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Hey guys, so now we want to talk about the bridge between your chest voice and your head voice, which is that pharyngeal, that nasal cavity. A lot of people actually look down on this tone because it's more nasal. You might hear it more so in country music, but what's incredible about this register in your voice is that is exactly where you're going to find your mix and the balance of your own specific voice.
I like to refer to it as putting thread through the eye of the needle.
Totally.
Right? Once you get thread through the needle, you can make anything you want, a quilt, a shirt, whatever else.
Right.
Same is true of your voice. Being able to center the tone through your nasality in a very nasal tone, demonstrate, Katie, allows you on the other side to open and balloon and form. Oh, wow. Incredible sounds that you never even dreamed possible. Nasality is a beautiful thing.